covered our table with a piece of paper because I'm just working on our dining table and I don't want to mess it up. And then second step would be mixing your colors, or probably this would be the first step. So, you know, it's like if you want, or if you're set on the color that you would like to be the accent of your petals, you can just buy something that is already made. But me, I would love to just like grab the primary colors, which are blue, red, and yellow, because and then adding your white, and if you want to go darker than black, because with these colors you can achieve like a spectrum of colors. So the basic color wheel, so these are the primary colors, and then yellow plus red is orange, red plus blue is purple or violet, and then these two, yellow and blue, is green. So for this one, since this is like very light orange or peachy, I would go for this. So forget this, and then again for the light one, I would go for something white. So I grab my white. And okay, so excuse my palette, but this is like a very old palette of mine, which is very much used. But again, we're just gonna mix colors here, so it will be fine. And then to apply the colors on this, so I want it to be more of like a spongy effect. This is so it's like painting it. Of course, like the strokes of the brush would be very evident, but I'm gonna use a sponge so that it would more, well, you can call it a sponge effect, but it would be more, I don't know, it blends well in the paper. So this is actually quite big if you're gonna like dip it and then like apply it all over. So what I did was I cut like portions of it. You can use it, or actually you can buy like some which are already small, but I just like bought one and then just like sliced a portion off. So you can slice several. So these are already used, but I can pretty much still use this again for this project. So we're just gonna use this. Yeah, so you need scissors to like cut your foam. Anyway, also I grabbed the paintbrush for me to like mix the colors. So let's begin mixing the colors. So mixing the colors would be like a trial and error thing, or like process. So it will be up to you if you're happy with that color or not. But let's oops. Also, you will be needing a cup full of water. This is not a cup, it's like a container full of water. And then tissue paper, or your paper towel, sorry. Anyway, so I'm just placing the white here. And then we can pour water. Mix it. So when making projects like this, it's just so hard to stay clean, but as much as possible, stay clean. So we'll mix our shade of darker peach now, or orange, whatever you want to call it. So let's use this cleaner. So if you'll notice the color, so I will be needing more of yellow, and then just a tad bit of red. Okay, let's try this. Water, because I don't wanna like darken this. So for dipping or for washing my paintbrush, I just used like another slot, and then let's see. So what you can do to test your color is like grab an extra petal, and then do you like this? For me it's too yellowish. Let's try adding blue. So when you add blue, it will like add it will make it brownish. So let's just try a bit so like you can get that. Let's try this. It actually made it a bit greenish. Definitely not. Let's add more yellow and red. It's fine because it's like I will also be needing more. Okay, so I don't think I like this color. It became kind of mossy green. So let's start again. There's nothing wrong with starting again. Let's just, okay, I'm gonna use this now. And let's mix white. Adding more white. Let's clean the brush. Dry it, and then let's just add white. I made it kind of diffused, so I'm gonna add more colors again. And then I think I'm going to add a little bit of this. You see how it kind of neutralized the color? It kind of actually did. It's like it desaturated it. It has more of a brownish color now. What I really wanted. Okay, I think I like this color now. Anyway, so a quicker way to like do this, you can just buy something that is already pre-made. But again, since I love mixing colors, so you can have so many colors with just this 5, like this 3 and then white and black. I just don't wanna use black here because it will kind of make it grayish, or I don't know, I just don't like using black to darken my colors. So anyway, so these two just kind of adjusted like like if I want it more orangey, then just add red. If I want it more yellow orangey, then add yellow. And then what I did was, so I pre-mixed this a while ago and like it's too green for me, then I just added that here. It kind of neutralized it, like make it a bit brownish. So if you will compare this to this, you'll notice that it has more of an earth tone to it. I don't know if it's evident. This is brighter. It doesn't have this color, so it made it more like earthy tone. Anyway, too much of me blabbing about mixing colors. So what we'll do next is so when we're going to we'll do the dabbing thing, we'll use a lot of colors or a lot of like quantity of paint. So it would be good if you have like a separate container and then have like a lot of quantity of paint there. But like for me, this would work. So what I'm gonna do is, so this has like a thick consistency now. What we would really want is something that is quite watery. Like we're gonna do like a watercolor effect somewhat. So what I'm going to do is transfer this. Then probably I'm gonna do, or I'm gonna make 3 patches. I'm so tempted to use this color, but or like this water, but this is dirty. I don't want to set a bad example, so I'm just going to change this. Water changed. Okay, so we can actually pour up until the brim of the slots or the pockets. I spilled water. Then we're gonna mix. It just dilutes the paint. My workspace is getting messy now. So the good thing also with having like a paper as your mat, you can test your colors there. But it's also good to like test it on the actual paper so you can really see like what the effect will be. Then, so is your white diffused enough, or are you happy with your white? We can try it. So do you want to add color to it? I guess so. Anyway, I think let's test one.